Hey guys, I'm showing you my firework stash. There's a few stuff in here. I got like 2011, which was last year on July 4th. So these are large Cheshire, I don't know, large test, I don't know, large Texas pop buckets. Sorry guys. Um, Here's another one. It kind of just broke off. So I have those. I have a few more. And this I think I used. I don't know. I don't know what those are anymore. I have glow sparks. Yeah, I'm in my boxer, guys. So if y'all don't think I'm man enough, screw off. And then I have small sunflowers. You light it up and it kind of just might stay on the ground or go in the air. You never know, really. These guys, don't ever do these, even though you really want to. Do it when they're somewhere really open. That will make you go to jail. That is the Impact 4. Here's the Saturn missile 12-shot battery. Okay, whatever. Next we got, you just set these. You can take these apart. You don't have to. They'll just like all blow up at the same time. We got a second Saturn missile. We got 5-ball Roman candles. Right there. Some more 5 balls, but different color ish. Another. Oh, this is an Impact 3, and this is the Impact 4. Impact 4, of course, will be much more powerful. Here's the pop things. Firecrackers, just like these. And got some more firecrackers. More firecrackers. And this. I forgot what this does. There's a lot of stuff in there. There's just like all mixed together and stuff. Doesn't that look like a Reese's cup? Wouldn't you just like want to eat that? And some more these that. This is the second Reese's cup. I'm gonna call it that now. Oh. Camellia flower spins on ground. Flame and sparks. Well, if it's illegal, then why does our parents, why can't our parents watch us? What's the point? Well, here you got, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 21 stuff all together, like this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. All that. We have stashed this stuff, so Impact 3 and Impact 4 is right here. 7 shots both, but I don't get the it's 200 grams. Crap. Wait, shooting flaming balls and reports. Sure to make a mistake, the impact on your display with loud whistle and bright flashing strobes. I really don't care. Okay, so I'm going to put this crap away. I guess I can use it for next year. But Me and my parents will get more. I'm gonna make a video of me using these. I'm not gonna use them in the house for sure. Oh, there's some gunpowder. Don't want that. I wouldn't recommend really using these small sunflowers because they've gone on top of people's houses before. Major fails, major things. Okay, I'm just gonna open these. Open this up for y'all. Here it is. A few at the top. Here's some more extra gunpowder at the bottom. And then just put these back in the box. I might do a review on some of these fireworks. I might have to research some because they don't have a direct definition of what they do. If I can get this back in. There you go. Oh, going at the bottom. Getting some gunpowder on the desk. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching.